Decentering men, reclaiming the feminine power through the dark goddess. Welcome, sacred soul. You have entered the Dark Mother Mystery School, a sanctuary where we unravel the deepest truths of the dark feminine. Who am I? I am Shadow Moon, priestess, oracle, and head mistress of the Sacred Mystery School, a space where we reclaim lost feminine wisdom, honor the divine dark mother, and restore balance to a world that has forgotten its roots. Here, we do not fear the darkness. We embrace it as a source of transformation. If you are ready to awaken, reclaim, and step fully into your power, then you are in the right place. Subscribe, like, and share this video with another woman who will benefit from traveling with you on this journey, and let your mysteries unfold before you. What this series is about. This first series is called Decentering Men, Reclaiming Feminine Power Through Goddess Energy. In this series, we explore how women have been programmed for centuries to center men emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and even financially at the cost of their own wholeness. This is not about hating men or rejecting relationships. This is about restoring balance. It's about shifting the focus back to you, your needs, your desires, your wants, your sacred purpose. When you decenter men, you return to your original divine design as a powerful, sovereign woman. Why I'm doing this series? For generations, women have been taught that their worth and power come through men, pleasing them, being chosen by them, waiting for them. This is a lie that has kept women small. I created this series because I see women waking up, remembering who they are, and they need tools, guidance, and ancient wisdom to fully break free. Decentering men is the first step to reclaiming your life. How this series will help you? In Decentering Men, you'll learn how to identify the ways you've unconsciously and consciously centered men in your life, release the old programs that keep you waiting, pleasing, and performing, tap into goddess energies that restore your sovereignty and power, begin living as the main character in your life. The the goddesses we will work with. You won't be walking this path alone. In this series, you'll be guided by powerful dark feminine goddesses who hold keys to your personal freedom and empowerment. Here's a brief introduction to each one. Oshun, the goddess of beauty, self-worth, and irresistible attraction. She teaches us to walk away from what no longer serves us, honor our desires, and receive abundance without shame. Lilith, the original wild woman who refused to submit. Lilith awakens your untamed feminine energy and restores your boundaries. Sekhmet, the lioness goddess of destruction and healing. Sekhmet helps you burn down old patterns and reclaim your fierce self-protection. Kali, the goddess of endings and beginnings. Kali shows you how to destroy illusions and birth your truest self. Medusa, the archetype of the woman demonized for her power. Medusa helps you reclaim your rage and transmute it into strength. Hecate, the goddess of crossroads and wisdom. Hecate teaches you how to navigate transitions and trust your intuition. Inanna, the queen of heaven and earth, who descends into the underworld to reclaim her throne. Inanna guides you through your own death and rebirth. Artemis, the huntress, the protector of women and girls. Artemis helps you reclaim your independence and focus on your personal mission. Baba Yaga, the wild crone who tests and initiates. Baba Yaga teaches you how to stand in your power no matter who challenges you. What you'll learn? Each week, we'll dive into the lessons of these goddesses and how they help you. We would do a deep dive and focus on one individual goddess for a total of 4 weeks in order to completely absorb the lessons she has for us. You'll learn the following. how to break free from male centered conditioning, how to restore your feminine energy to its rightful place at the center of your life, how to live fully, unapologetically as a woman of power. May the Dark Mother bless you. May your ancestors protect you and guide your steps. May your inner radiance always shine bright. Embrace your power. Embrace dark feminine wisdom. Keep exploring the mysteries. Reclaim your authority and ascend to new heights. Your journey doesn't end here, it only deepens. Until we gather again, Sacred Soul. This is Shadow Moon, head mistress of the Dark Mother Mystery School, signing off. Class is dismissed.